I am starting the class 7 maths NCERT, the chapter 1 integers. In this video we will know about what are integers and then we will discuss the first property of integer, closure property. Let's start the topic. Then what are integers? All positive numbers or negative numbers including 0 but not a fraction are called integers. All positive numbers all negative numbers including 0 but not a fraction. इसका मतलब इंटीजर्स में सारे पॉजिटिव नंबर्स आते हैं, सारे नेगेटिव नंबर्स आते हैं, लेकिन ये फ्रैक्शंस नहीं होते हैं. सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ इंटीजर्स: -1, -6, -3, 0, 1, 8. These are integers. If we talk about 6 by 7, this is not an integer because ये fraction है. So we understand all positive numbers or negative numbers including 0 but not a fractions are integers. Now we will discuss the properties of integers. We will discuss the first property, closure property of integers in this video, and the next remaining property, associative property, distributive property and commutative property in our next videos. Closure property. What is the closure property? It means integers allows only integers to come in. They don't allow to any other numbers to come in. सिमिलर यदि मैं कहती हूँ मेरे घर के दरवाजे मेरे फ्रेंड्स के लिए और मेरे फैमिली मेंबर्स के लिए ओपन है, इसके अलावा मेरे घर के अंदर कोई नहीं आ सकता, सभी के लिए मेरी फैमिली, मेरे जो घर के दरवाजे हैं जो क्लोज्ड है. सिमिलर द इंटीजर्स से दे अलाउज ओनली इंटीजर्स टू कम इन. दे डोंट अलाउ any others numbers to come in. It means some they allows all the integers like 6, 7, 0, -1, लेकिन they don't allow any others number, just like a fractions they don't allow to come in. So we will discuss the closure property in 4 operations. First is addition, then subtractions, then multiplication, then division. At first we will discuss the closure property in addition. Sum of two integers is always a integers. That sum of two integers is always an integer. That time we say that integers are closed under addition. Integers are closed under addition. For understanding this property, I take one example. I take two integers -6 and -7. If we add these two integers, -6 plus -7, then what we will get? -6 -7 -30. This is integers, this is integers. Now what we are getting? -13. This is also integer. So we said that integers are closed under addition. I am taking another example. -3 and 3. If we add these two integers, we are getting 0. This is integer, this is integer, this is also integer. So we see that integers are closed under addition. इसका मतलब हम कोई भी दो इंटीजर्स लेते हैं और उनको सम करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा ही एक इंटीजर मिलेगा, तो हम कहते हैं इंटीजर्स आर क्लोज अंडर एडिशन. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस closure property in next operation, that is subtraction. Difference of two integers is always integers. That time we say that integers are closed under subtractions. I am taking two integers, let us suppose that -6 and 3. If we subtract these two integers, what we are getting? -9. -6 is integer, 3 is integer. If we find the difference, then what we are getting? We are getting -9. This is also an integer. So we say that integers are closed under subtraction. I am taking another example. -5 -9. If we subtract these two integers, now what we are getting? We are getting 4. This is integer, and the difference of two integers, what we are getting? 4 here. This is also integer. So we say that integers are closed under subtraction. What we say? We say that integers are closed under subtraction. हम कोई भी दो इंटीजर्स लेते हैं, जब हम उनको सब्ट्रैक्ट करते हैं, उनका डिफरेंस फाइंड करते हैं, तो हमें हमेशा ही एक इंटीजर मिलता है, तो हम कहते हैं इंटीजर्स आर क्लोज अंडर सब्ट्रैक्शन. नाउ वी विल डिस्कस द क्लोजर प्रॉपर्टी इन थर्ड ऑपरेशन, दैट इज मल्टीप्लीकेशन. Product of two integers is always an integer. Then we say that integers are closed under multiplication. I'm selecting two integers, and for example I'm taking two integers just like 2 and -5. If we do multiply with, then what we will get? -10. This is integer, what we are getting? -10. This is also integer. So we say that integers are closed under multiplication. I am taking another example. 0 and -5. 0 multiply with -5. What we are getting? 0. This is integer, and 0, that is also an integer. So we say that integers are close under multiplication. हम कोई भी दो integers लेते हैं, हम उन्हें जब मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो हमें हमेशा ही एक इंटीजर मिलेगा. तो हम कहते हैं integers are close under multiplication. Now we will discuss the closure property in the last operation, that is division. Division of two integers may and may not be a integer. So we say that integers are not close under division. Integers are not closed under division. For example, I am taking -4 and -8. If we divide -4 divided by -8, -4 is divided by -8, what we are getting? 1/2. This is integer, this is integer, but what we are getting? 1/2. This is not a integer. ये क्या है? फ्रैक्शन है. So we say that integers are not close under division. I am taking another example. 12 and 3. 12 divided by 3. What we are getting? 4. This is integer, but this is also integer. But in the previous condition, we didn't get an integers. और इंटीजर, जब भी दो इंटीजर्स को डिवाइड किया जाता है, हमें हमेशा ही एक इंटीजर मिले, तब तो हम कहते हैं डिविजन integers are close under division. But in the previous condition, we are getting a fraction. We are not getting an integer. So we say that integers are not close under division. Okay, I think आपको ये कॉन्सेप्ट समझ में आ गया होगा. इफ यू हैव एनी क्वेरी रिगार्डिंग टू दिस टॉपिक, यू कैन आस्क मी इन माय कमेंट सेशन. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो. इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल डिस्कस the next property, commutative property. So thank you.